This is the Midland. 2 stories, 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, right around 2,200 square feet. If you need real space for a growing family without a luxury price tag, this is the plan I show. The whole downstairs is 1 living story. Kitchen, dining, and family room connected, plus a bedroom and a full bath down here, which is gold when family visits. Upstairs is where everybody spreads out. The main suite, 2 more bedrooms, another full bath, and a game room landing that becomes whatever your family needs it to be. I'm Bryan Farmer with DR Horton in the Fort Worth North area, where the Midland is available changes week to week. So text me at 214-449-9978 and I'll send you today's answer.